It's Robo-Boo, and this is a fire truck. Firefighters help people stop fires, and fire trucks are red so everyone can see them fast. Look, big wheels, a long ladder, and lots of water inside. Today we are going to draw a fire truck. Grab your markers and crayons. We'll draw big wheels, windows, and a long ladder. Ready? Beep boop.
Smoke and flame, they rush to help, that's their brave game. Big red body, strong and true, let's draw one now, me and you. Draw and sing, let your colors gently swing. Draw and sing, nice and slow, watch your picture start to glow. Draw and sing, every line is a happy thing. Draw and sing side by side, I'm right here. Enjoy the ride. Round, round wheels go rolling by. Hum, hum sounds as we draw and try. Circle here and circle there, your fire truck is taking care. Windows blue like a summer sky. Firefighters wave as they pass us by. Ladders long, reaching high, helping friends. Let's draw and try. Draw and sing, lines and shapes are everything. Draw and sing, calm and kind, let your picture speak your mind. Draw and sing, hear how softly colors ring. Draw and sing, take your time, every drawing's doing fine. Tap, tap, dots and smooth, smooth lines. Drawing time is feeling fine. Little details, one by one, learning art is gentle fun. Green hose curls around just so. Black wheels steady, strong and low. Red, red truck so bold and bright. You're an artist, yes you are tonight. Draw and sing, let your markers softly bring. Draw and sing, peace and cheer, every picture starts right here. Draw and sing, listen how your heart can sing. Draw and sing, calm and slow, let your confidence grow. Whoosh, whoosh, ladders stretch and play. Slide, slide, lines go on their way. Up and down, careful and slow, your fire truck begins to grow. Art is friendship, art is care, art is sharing everywhere. Me and you, we draw as friends, creativity never ends. Draw and sing, little dreams on paper cling. Draw and sing, soft and true, I love drawing zip, zip lines and curve, curve turns, learning gently as your heart learns. Every mark is just okay, that's how artists grow each day. In this room so safe and kind, we draw the pictures in our mind. Fire trucks help, brave and strong, drawing them feels calm and warm. Draw and sing, draw and sing, feel how softly colors swing. Draw and sing, nice and slow, let your confidence grow. Draw and sing, every try is a beautiful thing. Draw and sing, proud and free, you're an artist, just like me. Red for courage, blue for calm, green for help in every palm. Choose your colors, trust your hand, your fire truck is truly grand. When we draw, we learn and share, stories live inside our care. Art explores the world we see, one small line at a time, gently. Draw and sing, let your heart and colors blend. Draw and sing, here we stay, drawing dreams the gentle way. Draw and sing, thank you for each line you bring. Draw and sing, you did well, your picture has a story to tell. Look at that, your fire truck's done. You stay calm and had such fun. I'm so proud of what I see. You drew it with creative gun. Now we smile and rest a bit. Art and joy together fit. Robo-Boo is proud of Boo, drawing.
Wow! Look at your fire truck. Great job! You did amazing! Now my fire truck is ready. Beep boop. Let's go help firefighters and put out the fire.
Drawing